You can find the link to this product I purchased in the description. So first let's unpack the box and check if all the parts are included and okay. I ordered a complete kit which comes with water hose, shower head with adjustable water pressure and bracket. The advantage of this set is that you will get two different types of press bidet fittings. Depending on your toilet inlet, you have to install the 1/2 inch version or the 3/8 inch version. This set also includes material for two different mounting options. Before we start, please be reminded to follow all the instructions and warnings provided by the manufacturer of the bidet sprayer. As most toilets have a shut-off valve, look for this valve and then turn it all the way to the off position. Next, flush the toilet to empty the tank and ensure that no new water is running into the tank. Next, you have to detach the water hose, which connects to the toilet. You should keep a bucket ready, just in case there is still water coming out. Now you can screw on the T-valve. The nut on the top of the valve should have a gasket washer on the inside. It's up to you if you tighten it already or only hand tighten it for now. Next, connect the water line to the bottom threads on T-valve you just installed. With this model, we need to connect the water line to the bottom of the T-valve. So that's opposite of the side that is connected to the water inlet. Now we will need the hose and sprayer. Make sure each end of the hose has a black gasket. Screw the end of the hose with the nut onto the threads on the inside of the T-valve. The other end of the hose will screw into the bottom of the sprayer. The sprayer holder can be mounted to the wall or hooked on the edge of the toilet tank. Now you can place your sprayer in the holder and finally test it. Slowly turn your water back and check for any leaks. If there's a leak, you can try to tighten everything a little more. You should hear the water turn on and start filling the tank. Keep turning the water valve until it's completely open. Pointing the sprayer at the toilet bowl, slowly press the sprayer trigger until water starts to flush out. Check for any leaks in the hose or the connections. If everything looks good, continue pressing the sprayer until the sprayer is completely opened and water is flushing out. That's it. If your handheld bidet is not leaking, it is ready to be used. Remember to follow the manufacturer's instructions for operation and maintenance. Thanks and see you next time.